Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing the rear diffuser for the S2000. We have it mocked up already. It's made out of a silver carbon. Woo. But yeah, it's a little bit different from the carbon up here. Over here it's a kind of dull, but this one, it has like these little strands of silver lining in there. So when headlight or a flashlight gets put onto it at night, it kind of glows and flashes. So that looks pretty cool, but we'll show you guys in a little bit. Me and Jamar are here today. He's over there playing with his black ice, bro.
I just farted.
Nasty. Show me your black ice. Ooh, we got that little tree black ice. So we're gonna install that. We have a few brackets in my trunk right now. I'll go grab that real quick actually. Boom. These are the ones right here. These are the 4 brackets that it came with. Hopefully this is all we need in order to install the diffuser. I'm super excited. Super excited. So we got the car jacked up. Now we just gotta mock the diffuser onto the rear, and then we're gonna use these brackets and bolts. I believe these are 10 mils, and then we're gonna insert them up there, tighten them down, and everything should be good, hopefully. I think. Who knows? My first time doing it.
Okay, so this is how we think it's gonna be set up. This, then protruding forward. This is the one you have to take out
for the back brackets.
The back.
There we go. It's super long.
And then
Jesus, look how long this boy is. Oh my god. Okay. There's a back bracket which goes over here. That big one right there. And then the front brackets which go right here. So it's behind this. You're gonna use your 10 mil. You're gonna go through it, the metal bracket, and then through the bumper, and then this will stabilize your front chassis, or not your front chassis, your front part of your diffuser. So you do that for both sides right here, and then you also have that big bolt that we're going to remove right there, and then all you have to do is just literally line up all the bolts, which is just 4. It's these big ones, 1 2 3 4. Those are the front ones we're talking about, and these are the back ones for the big bolts. What do you think?
I'm the light guy.
Man, it looks like a wand. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so we kind of got it on there.
Get a friend with some skinny arms, bro, so you could get
in
here.
You need a friend with some real skinny arms to reach in there, because my fat arms won't get in there. Everything is chassis mounted, so nice and sturdy, hopefully. But so far,
why do you gotta be such a sussy bucka?
That's pretty sturdy.
It looks pretty good, dude. We're gonna tighten everything down, and hopefully it works out. Okay guys, pretty sure the rear diffuser is not gonna clear, and it's gonna be way too low, like the entire car. So I'm gonna raise the rear and the front like by a few inches, since we are rubbing right now. Hopefully after you raise it for like a few inches, we don't like destroy the rear diffuser that we just bought.
My hair.
Bro, is your hand stuck?
My hair.
What are you doing, step bro?
Oh my god, dude. Oh! Stuck in there because you tightened the diffuser so much. You got it?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Oh my god.
Alright, you go do that. I'm gonna start taking this off, and then we're gonna raise it up. If you guys never invested into one of these boys, you guys need it, dude. It helps so much with taking off wheels and everything. Makes your job, your life so much easier. Because normally it would take you like 20 minutes. This takes you like what? 20 seconds to do? Man. We got another nail in the tire. Like last time, dude. This is not the first time. Look at this boy. There's a fat stub right there. A whole nail. I literally just bought these tires. But then again, we did true it up a little because we were so low.
Oh yeah.
But still, bro. I think that's more than enough room to not rub. Anything?
I think it's fine.
It's fine.
Yes.
You check the other side. This side wants a truck in it too. Why is there a fire
There's
truck?
a fire truck.
Why is
There's a fire truck at our house.
What was that?
Somebody said you're doing some illegal filming?
No, this is my house.
Is there a lot of girls in there?
Nah. No, bro. There's none. Don't worry about it.
Yo, I was like, what the heck's going on, man?
Neighbors called the fire truck apparently.
I don't know.
No idea why. Nothing's on fire. I think at least. Ready? Time me.
Right.
Time me, coach.
Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Can I make it?
7. Oh my
Boom.
God. 7 something seconds.
Let me double check though. We got the rear diffuser on there today. It was so fire that the fire trucks came. You know what I'm saying? Because it's so fire. Heat. We're gonna take it out. I'm gonna go to the gym, but there's gonna be some better lighting at the parking lot, so you'll probably see that a little better. But yeah, that's gonna be basically the end of today's video. Nothing too crazy. It was pretty easy to install. Everything was pretty straightforward. Alright guys, hopefully this gets a better view of the car. But that's the diffuser underneath there. Looks pretty good. It's in the entire car in its full glory right now. Walk around. I really like it. Initially we were gonna cut the bumper, but I think it looks pretty good without cutting it. So that's gonna be it. If you guys like the video of us installing the diffuser, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and that's gonna be it. So we out.